In this example, we're looking at a KD Smart form. This form was originally a PDF document, and there was around a 54% recall rate of this particular PDF. Due to the fact that there were complex sections, things like if you are a company, then you complete section 5, but if you're not yet the owner, you need to complete sections 3 and 4, and if you said yes to sections 2 and 4 but not section 3, then you need to upload this document. It was very complex in that case. So what we did here was we implemented it as a little wizard. Here we're going to go next. If you are somebody who has an account, you could simply just use your details, have the form pre-populated with your information. So you'll see here, it's really doing a lot of work for me as I just simply click on next. So this is the section that I really wanted to cover off. This was the difficult part on the PDF that people mostly got wrong. So let's go through this. So yes, I'm the owner and I'm a company. So what you'll see is because I'm a company and I'm the owner, I've got to upload certain documents, and I'm asking for them right here and then, not attach them at the end. You also see here that if I go along and I say I'm actually the owner of this, I can now put in the title. If I'm not yet the owner, I've got to put in transfer and a letter from a solicitor. So you can see all this sort of stuff building up. But if I go and I say that I'm actually a trust, you'll see that there's different information that now needs to be captured. If I say that in fact I'm the owner and it's an individual, then I've got to put the title, and then I can also specify if they are co-owners, and if they are, then a little section where I can now come in, open this up, and start to add the co-owners of who else is involved in this particular venture. So this section over here seems pretty straightforward now. I'm a trust and I'm not yet the owner, but if you imagine sitting in a PDF document and seeing all the, if you said yes to that, then do this. So this made this become very easy from something that was causing an absolute nightmare of trying to get people to understand how to complete this in a PDF document previously.